Instant VIN reports car check honest review watch before using. Most people get vehicle history checks wrong. They assume they are slow, expensive, or incomplete. The surprising truth about Instant VIN reports is that it provides near instant access to detailed vehicle data, and you won't believe how much you can learn before buying a used car. Here's how it works. By entering a car's VIN, users receive information on accidents, mileage, previous owners, title status, theft records, and recall history. Reports are clear, downloadable, and easy to interpret. For example, a buyer checking a 3-year-old SUV can discover if it's ever been in a major accident or has outstanding finance, which can prevent costly mistakes. Most people get this wrong. They assume a clean-looking car online means safe, but VIN reports reveal hidden issues. Additional benefits include batch checking, mobile access, and up-to-date information from multiple databases. Users praise its speed, accuracy, and affordability. However, there are considerations. Reports are only as accurate as the data recorded. Very recent events may not appear. Most people assume no report means no problems, always combined with an inspection. In conclusion, Instant VIN reports is ideal for anyone buying or selling used cars who wants fast, reliable, and actionable vehicle history insights. Subscribe for more honest reviews of car services and auto tools.